Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the problems based on section formula from class 10 NCERT textbook, exercise number 7.2, and this is fourth problem. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Here, a line segment is given AB with coordinates A -3, 10 and B 6, -8, and a point say P here somewhere with -1, 6 is dividing the line segment AB. Now we have to find the ratio in which the line segment is divided by the point P. Let the ratio be M1 is to M2. We have to find the ratio M1 is to M2. By using section formula, we can write the coordinates of P as P equals to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2, and this is equals to -1, 6 given. The coordinates of P are given as -1, 6. Now let us substitute the values for x1, x2 and y1, y2 in this particular section formula. We have x1, y1 here from point A and x2, y2 from point B. So P is equals to M1 into x2, that is 6, plus M2 into x1 is -3 by M1 plus M2. M1 y2 is -8 plus M2 y1 is 10 by M1 plus M2, and this is equals to -1, 6. This is nothing but 6 M1 minus 3 M2 by M1 plus M2 minus 8 M1 plus 10 M2 by M1 plus M2 equals to -1, 6. By equating the coordinates of x and y to -1 and 6, we can get the ratio M1 is to M2. Either this we can equate or this we can equate and get. No need to solve both the things. Either this or that. We will get the M1 is to M2 ratio. Okay. So let us equate x coordinate. 6 M1 minus 3 M2 by M1 plus M2 is equals to -1. X coordinate here is -1 and here is 6 M1 minus 3 M2 by M1 plus M2. So 6 M1 minus 3 M2 by M1 plus M2 equals to -1. Take M1 plus M2 to that side. Then 6 M1 minus 3 M2 is equals to -1 into M1 plus M2, which is equals to -M1 minus M2. Now bring all the terms to one side. We get 6 M1 minus 3 M2 plus M1 plus M2 is equals to 0. 6 M1 plus M1, this is 7 M1 minus 3 M2 plus M2, that is -2 M2 is equals to 0. So 7 M1, take this 2 M2 that side, then 0 plus 2 M2 it becomes, which is nothing but 2 M2. m1 by m2, bring that m2 to this side, we get m1 by m2 equals to, take this 7 from here to there, 2 by 7. That implies m1 is to m2 is equals to 2 is to 7. This is the ratio in which the point P minus 1 comma 6 divides the line segment joining A and B. Let us discuss one more problem, that is the fifth problem from exercise 7.2 class 10 NCERT textbook. Here the points A and B are given, they are forming a line segment and x-axis is dividing this line segment AB in some ratio, say m1 is to m2, we need to find that ratio, and also the point where x-axis is dividing the line segment, the coordinates of that point also we have to find. So here AB is a line segment with coordinates 1 comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma 5. Say the ratio be m1 is to m2. We need to find m1 is to m2 as well as the coordinates of point P. So here the line segment is divided by x-axis. For x-axis, y coordinate is always 0. So this we have to keep in our mind. Now the section formula for P is nothing but, we all know already, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so let us substitute x1 y1 x2 y2 values from A and B points. This becomes m1 into x2, that is minus 4 m1 plus m2 into x1, x1 is 1, that is m2 into 1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2, y2 is 5 plus m2 y1, that is minus 5 by m1 plus m2. So we have minus 4 m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2 comma 5 m1, this is m1, 5 m1 minus 5 m2 by m1 plus m2. So the y coordinate of the point P is 0 because on x-axis y coordinate is 0. Here the y coordinate is 5 m1 minus 5 m2 by m1 plus m2. Let us equate to 0. Then we get 5 m1 minus 5 m2 by m1 plus m2 is equals to 0. Okay, then we get, by taking m1 plus m2 to that side, 0 into m1 plus m2 becomes 0. Therefore m1 5 m1 minus 5 m2 is equals to 0 into m1 plus m2. 0 into anything is 0, we all know that. So 5 m1 minus 5 m2 equals to 0. 5 m1 is equals to 0 plus 5 m2, that equals to 5 m2. So bring m2 from there to here, we get m1 by m2 is equals to 5 by 5, that equals to 1 by 1. 1 is to 1 ratio. So the point P or the x-axis is dividing the line segment joining AB in the ratio 1 is to 1. Now we need to find the coordinates of P. So let us substitute this m1 and m2 values in this particular P. section formula and find out the coordinates of P. So we have the point minus 4m1 plus m2 by m1 plus m2, 5m1 minus 5m2 by m1 plus m2. We got the ratio m1 is to m2 as 1 is to 1. So m1 is 1 and m2 is 1. Let us substitute to get the point P. Minus 4 into 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. 5 into 1 minus 5 into 1 by 1 plus 1. That is equals to minus 4 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 2. This is 5 minus 5 by 1 plus 1 2. That is equals to minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. So the coordinates of point P are minus 3 by 2 comma 0. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.